Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick little, I don't know, basically going to be a review of this new plug kit that I got. It is not this one. This is my old plug kit. I've carried plug kits in my cars for years. And this is this is one of the types, just one of the cheap, I don't know, $3 or $4 ones at Walmart. Let me get this thing out here. And it's always worked. I mean, you know, it's your typical plug kit. Jam that through the tire hole. Take your plug, jam it through, and get her done. So I finally decided that I'm going to buy a nice one. Even though these have always worked, thought why not get something that's a little nicer to use. Because believe it or not, I use these all the time. I've never had to take a tire in and get it patched. I've used plugs my entire life. I've had people say that well, patching's the only right way to do it, and that may be. But you know, I'm not worried about plugging a tire. I've done it so many times with success that to me it's just the only way to do it, and this is why. When I can plug a tire and be done with it in about 3 or 4 minutes, and I'm back on the road, and I'm not having to go to a shop, wait around in a lobby for them to get the car in, pull the tire off, or even if I take it up to them, I'm going to have to drop it off, or I'm going to have to wait for them to dismount the tire, do the whole plug thing. Even though a lot of places does it for free, I just don't want to wait. I'm too impatient. I've got things I've got to do. If I can plug a tire in 2 or 3 minutes and be done with it, and it lasts until that tire wears out, I'm 100% happy with that. So, with that said, this is the new plug kit that I bought to carry in my truck. It's by, I guess, WYNNsky. Heavy duty, 61 piece, tire puncture repair kit. Just got it. So we're going to take this out. Got a nice case to it. We're going to see what you get for, I think it was like $23 or something. Nice case. 4x4 accessories. Okay. Got a couple gloves, so if you're nice and clean, you don't want to get dirty, there you go. Of course, you got a pair of pliers, because you're going to need to pull whatever's out of the whatever's in the tire. You're going to have to pull out. These will probably get the job done. Pretty nice little needle nose pliers, actually. They're nice and ergonomic. Got nice cushion handles. Of course, got built-in wire cutters. Snap into the case, kinda. There we go. Looks like you got a spare adapter here for, you know, putting in the plugs. I don't know if that, I guess that just drops in right there. Looks like you got plenty of plugs. Let's see. So there's 5, 2, 4, 6. So I guess 30 plugs. Got a tire pressure gauge. I'm guessing this is going to be the lubricant or glue. Oh yeah, okay. Feels kind of like soap or something. That's, if you ever tried to plug a tire without any kind of lubricant on it, sometimes it can be kind of tough getting that plug pushed all the way in. Of course, got new, what is that? Got a valve core remover. Yeah, valve core remover. Got some long stem valve caps. Got some regular valve caps. Got some metal valve caps. Valve cores. See if I can get this thing to start focusing. There we go. Yeah, so there's the little kit there. Got a little razor knife to cut the new valve core or plug off. So let's take this stuff out because there's some kind of, okay, I guess got like a little instruction manual. Kind of show you how to do it if you've never done it before. And then, of course, to the good stuff. And this is the number one reason I bought it. Was the nice Beefy T-handles. Because if you ever have to push through a small hole with one of these, it's actually pretty tough on the hands. So I was wanting something that looked like it was going to feel good. You know, that you could get a bunch of pressure on to punch it in there. And I think these are going to do it. And like I say, it comes with an extra plug installer adapter. And that's what these Allen wrenches are for. So that you can loosen these up, slide that in and out. Doesn't come with an extra one of these, but I don't ever see this wearing out. That's a pretty beefy looking reamer. So yeah, I mean, I think this is probably one of the nicest plug kits I've ever seen. Just to show you, just to give you a comparison. Here, let's get them laid out. I mean, this is much beefier, heavy. I mean, you're not going to bend that, guarantee you. And even though this is a pretty nice feeling set, this was my slime. I've had this for years in the truck. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's definitely a much heavier duty setup. Old? No. Definitely don't think that you could go wrong with this kit right here. Looks like it's got plenty of plugs. I mean, that's probably a lifetime supply of plugs for me. Got the knife. You got everything you need right here in this kit. There's nothing else that you're going to need to plug a tire that this kit does not have, other than a compressor to air it back up, which I did a review on a compressor the other day. So yeah, if you need a plug kit to carry around with you so you're not stuck out with a flat tire, I highly recommend this one. Very heavy duty. I think that's definitely going to get the job done whenever it's time to. Got this off Amazon. So It's everything that it's got in it. Of course, it's made in China, unfortunately. Satisfaction guaranteed. If you're not happy with it, I don't know. Don't know if they'll replace it or what. That's the model number of this particular one, AT1001. This company makes a few different plug kits. This to me looked like it was probably the nicest because it's got the what looks like the ergonomic curved handle. That just seems like it'd be very comfortable to hold. Like I said, I've pushed so hard on these that my hands, my hands were starting to feel the abuse. So I wanted something that if I needed to really push on, then I wasn't going to have a problem with it. But that's about the size of it. So about the length of a hand or the depth, and then the length of a little less than 2 hands. About 2 inches thick, so it'd fit under a seat or behind a seat. Anyway, that's about all I got. If I find it on Amazon, I'll put the link in the description for you. Alright, you guys take care.